Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get through to the Global Market Information Database and search it. We're going to search for parking information from different countries. Some key countries that we want to look at are the UK, the Netherlands, Australia. So first you want to open up a browser and get to the EMBA Library Services page, or libraries page. Here it is right here. libguides.ucalgary.ca/EMBA. You can get to it from your Blackboard site as well if you're an EMBA. You can see there's a picture of me, so this is the right site. You want to first go to the databases section. Now, Global Market Information Database is analysts have written up the marketing reports, so they would be analyst reports, a type of analyst report, or because of the fact that you know the actual title, Global Market Information Database, you can just click right where it says Databases and you'll get an A to Z listing. So again, just to show you, just click right on this part here. And you get this A to Z listing. And let's click on G for Global Market Information Database. We click in, usually it'll make you sign in. The numbers for this, of course, are on your University of Calgary ID, that little card that you have. It's on the front and back. Down here at the bottom, just accept whatever legalities they're asking you to accept. You can always read them. Of course, that's a good idea. Most of it is to make sure that it's non-commercial use and that it's for a course here. There are all these different tabs, and of course you can browse through these tabs. That's a good idea. What's inside of this database are statistics, reports, and then some information about where they get the statistics and reports. I like their reports the best. The stats are good, of course, but if you can get a good report, that's wonderful. I'm going to search today. I'm going to do a text search. And what I'm wondering about is parking, and parking in the UK, the Netherlands, and in Australia. So let's start first with just the word parking. And I know that seems very broad. We're searching the statistics for the word parking. We're searching reports. That's really what I want. And then information sources, where they got their info from. And we're searching for this word inside, not just the title of the document, but also the body of the document. When I hit go, it's going to tell me in 3 different sections. We've got the reports here. And you can see there's tons of them. You can filter. We're going to skip over, sorry, that's what we want. We want the reports. Filter by geography. Well, I'm interested first in the Netherlands, so let's take a look there and see if there's anything from the Netherlands. And 10 reports mention parking. So we'll filter down by hitting go. And once it pulls all these up, now some of these are not really as relevant as I'd like. I'm wondering more about parking costs and how consumers park and whether or not they use cars. So consumer lifestyles in Netherlands, that sounds really good. You can see this is quite a large report. You can tell that partially because there's all these different headings down the side, and as well, you're provided with this little link here where you can show the whole report at once. I'm going to do that. I think that'll be quite useful to me. And I'm going to search for the word that I wanted to find, parking. So we can see there's some information about parking down here. And it looks pretty good. There's a problem with parking congestion. Probably they're going to talk about what that is. And then just more in that section. So it's probably worth it for me to read that section. And then transportation infrastructure. Current government is undergoing a program to construct more railway lines. So this could be quite relevant to parking and consumer lifestyles around cars and around parking. And parking costs even. So once I've figured out that I want this report, how do I get it? How do I keep it? There's this little button here which allows you to make the report into a PDF. Make sure that you make it into the full report before you make it into a PDF, otherwise you're only going to get a section. Or if you want, you can just download a section. It's up to you. I've got the report. It's 119 pages. Of course, you just save it, and you could save it onto your desktop. And now you own that report. You can keep it. You can take it with you and do whatever you need for your classes here. If I close that out, again, you can go back and do the exact same thing and sort down to a specific geography, and this time you could go to the UK, you could take a look at Australia, whatever you'd like. And yeah, basically that's what I had to show you today. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope this helps you, and have a great day.